You will never look old if you start eating these powerful anti-aging foods today. These aren't magic. These are science-backed foods that protect your skin, stop premature aging, repair damage, and keep your body young from the inside out. Let's begin. 1. Dark chocolate, the skin shield, 0:15 to 45. Dark chocolate isn't just a treat, it's a beauty weapon. It's loaded with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that protect your skin from UV damage, inflammation, and free radicals, the biggest causes of wrinkles. Studies show people who eat dark chocolate with 70% cocoa have noticeably smoother skin, better hydration, and a brighter complexion. Just don't overdo it. A small piece daily is enough. Avocado, nature's moisturizer. Avocados are full of monounsaturated fats, the good fats that make your skin soft, glowing, and wrinkle-free. They contain vitamins A, E, and K, which repair skin cells and protect against aging. Their antioxidants fight oxidative stress, while their healthy fats keep your skin hydrated, plump, and elastic. That's why people who eat avocados regularly often look younger than their age. Liquid Youth. Pure extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest anti-aging foods on the planet. It has powerful antioxidants and vitamin E that protect your skin from dryness and early aging. It boosts collagen, improves elasticity, and reduces fine lines. Just 1 tablespoon daily on salads, bread, or in cooking can make a visible difference in skin glow. 4. Kimchi, the gut-skin connection. A youthful face begins in the gut, and kimchi proves it. Kimchi is packed with probiotics, good bacteria that keep your digestion smooth and fight inflammation. A healthy gut means better absorption of nutrients, reduced acne, and a natural glow. The antioxidants in kimchi also slow aging and protect cells from damage. If you want younger skin, improve your gut first. 5. Carrots, collagen booster. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A repairs skin tissue, reduces wrinkles, and protects your skin from sun damage. It also helps maintain collagen, your skin's natural firming protein. Carrots equals smoother, firmer, brighter skin. 6. Beets, natural blood purifier. Beets are a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and unique antioxidants. They improve blood flow, meaning more oxygen reaches your skin cells, giving you a natural pink glow. Beets reduce inflammation, detoxify your body, and promote a youthful complexion. Plus, they help keep your brain sharp as you age. 7. Kiwi, vitamin C balm. Kiwi contains more vitamin C than oranges, and vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Collagen, tight, smooth, bouncy skin. Kiwi also protects your skin from oxidative stress, improves skin tone, and helps heal damaged tissue. 1 kiwi a day keeps wrinkles away. 8. Blueberries, anti-aging superfood. Blueberries are one of the most antioxidant-rich foods on Earth. They neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and prevent DNA damage, which is what causes aging. They improve memory, sharpen focus, and protect your skin from environmental stress. They are tiny, but their anti-aging power is massive. 9. Green tea, the longevity drink. Green tea is full of catechins, antioxidants that slow aging, protect your skin from sun damage, and speed up repair. It keeps your skin firm, reduces puffiness, and helps burn fat. People in Japan who drink green tea daily often live longer and look younger than their age. 10. Nuts and seeds, the anti-wrinkle mix. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, zinc, antioxidants. All these nutrients keep your skin firm, hydrated, and wrinkle-free. They fight dryness, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your hair, nails, and skin. Bonus tip: hydration plus sleep equals natural anti-aging. If you eat everything but ignore water and sleep, you still age fast. Hydration keeps your skin fresh and glowing. Sleep repairs your cells and boosts collagen. The cheapest anti-aging secret equals drink water plus sleep well. Aging is natural, but premature aging is preventable. Start adding these foods to your daily routine, and within weeks, you'll see a difference in your skin, energy, and overall youthfulness. Your body wants to stay young. All you have to do is support it. Subscribe for more.